So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So this is just a video to show you about how email marketing helps me, okay? And how you can do email marketing. I am like a big fan of email marketing these days because I'm like doing email marketing, okay? And I'm generating leads every day, okay? So that's the reason I'm making this video. So basically, now maybe you have a question that Umair, what is email marketing? So basically, email marketing, I can say, is a way to communicate with your audience. As I enter over here, I know the spelling is wrong, but yeah, I hope you got an idea. Okay, and email marketing can help you to generate money. Okay, and you have heard this line that money in the list. So that's the crazy thing. Email marketing can help you to generate more money. Okay, email marketing can help you to push your earning more further. Okay, so that's the thing. And email marketing also helps you like to build your reputation. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, that's the thing. And see, I tested email marketing and it's helped me like to generate income, okay, from affiliate programs, and also it helped me to like generate income for my own product. As you know that I have launched a case study, so I did emails and I got good response. I got a good conversion as well, and I got awesome response from the audience. Okay, so that's the thing that I want to tell you. Okay, so first let me talk about the tool that I'm using. So basically the tool I'm using is Active Campaign. Yesterday itself I cancelled my ConvertKit plan, and soon the list going to be added over here, so it will be like 10,000, and here you can see 10,000 people we can add over here. And believe me, I am doing email marketing, and yeah, it's a good number. Okay, it's good number because my mentors have around 1 lakh subscribers in their list, and they are making huge amount of money. Okay, huge amount of money. Okay, and here you can see that people are subscribing to my list every day, every single day they're subscribing to my list. Okay, so I am using Active Campaign account. Basically I used ConvertKit. I started using ConvertKit from December 2019. Okay, but when I got to know about Active Campaign, I quickly start testing Active Campaign, and believe me, it's one of the amazing decision I have made to using it, because it's have just an amazing features. Okay, if you want to do email marketing at huge level and you have to play with the automation, you can't believe that how much automation this tool have. Okay, and here you can see my affiliate funnel is also going on. Okay, the email automation, which gives me good response, by the way. Okay, so yeah, that's the crazy thing that I am doing. Okay, and this is just amazing. Okay, but now maybe you have queries that Umair, how you are generating the leads? Like, you know that I generated this amount of leads, but please let us know that how you are generating the leads. Okay, here you can see the quick thing over here. If you want to do email marketing, if you want to generate leads, you have to like made a product. Okay, made a freebies like PDF, anything like cheat sheet, done for things. Okay, done for you things mainly. Okay, like cheat sheets and all these things. Okay, that helps you like to generate the leads. Okay, so let me give you the example. So here you can see that this is my ebook that is 5x the profit, and here you can see that I am running ads. Okay, I am running ads and I am able to generate so many leads. Okay, you can see 5,000 leads, and mostly from this. Okay, I have some international funnel also. So yeah, mostly from this and some of my other blogs automation that I can't show. So you have to create a lead magnet. Okay, so lead magnet is very important. Okay, and after that, like, you can make a thank you page, and you can easily generate the money. But the main thing is not money, leads. Okay, and the main thing is you have to get traffic. Okay, so for getting traffic, you can run Facebook ads, you can use Instagram, you can use YouTube ads, you can use Google, you can use LinkedIn. Okay, and mainly I have used Facebook ads and Facebook groups. Like, I used most of the audience of mine and generated so much leads through it. You can also do the same. Okay, you can also make something like this by your own. Okay, and you are able to do things like this. And see, many of you want to ask me that, Umair, like, you will ask this question that how you have created this awesome landing page. Okay, so for creating this awesome landing page, I am using one plugin. Okay, one tool, that is OptimizePress. Okay, so here you can see OptimizePress. So if you want to purchase, then you can use my link, that is umair.at/op. Okay, and if you want to purchase Active Campaign, that umair.at/op. at/AC. Okay, so you can use both. Okay, so I hope you got an idea. And if I want to show you the result, so here you can see that I have launched my case study. Okay, if you are able to see over here, and let me show you. That is, if I can show you, yeah, this is the case study that I have launched, and I'm getting a good response. Okay, so here you can see that this page I also created with the optimized press, and here you can see it's look very good. Okay, and within 3 days, okay, not 3 days, yeah, almost 3 days. And here you can see that we have generated 182 transaction in Instamojo, and we have few more transaction in Gumroad too. Okay, basically I use Gumroad to like get the international payments. Okay, so that's the key thing you can do. Okay, so I hope you got few ideas. Okay, and see, there are so many things I can tell you about email marketing, that is IP reputation, and there is some other things like crush campaign. Okay, and what type of emails you have to shoot. Okay, so there are so many things, and like which headline you should use for like doing the campaign things. So I will tell you soon, okay, in my upcoming videos. Okay, and if you love this kind of video, then just give me a thumbs up. Okay, if you're watching in Facebook, then give me a thumbs up, and if you're watching in Instagram, then drop a love. Okay, and just comment that to be, it's very awesome. Okay, and yeah, I tried to add some value, okay, for free with you. Okay, so yeah, and yeah, you can use this funnel. Okay, you can use this funnel to generate quality leads. Okay, you can use this funnel to generate very quality leads. Okay, and yeah, I can also add, you can also create like YouTube videos. Okay, if I can see, yeah, you can use YouTube video, because many people, like many of you have YouTube channels. So what you can do, if you like created your lead magnet, then what you can do, you can just make a video around your lead magnet and you can promote it, and your subscriber will join to your lead magnet, and yeah, start giving them the value. I want to mention this thing also, that before promoting anything, before promoting any offer, first give value. Okay, first give value, because see, if you give value and after that you will like offer something, some affiliate offers, then they will convert. So yeah, first give some value, then do promotion. Okay, then do promotion, then you will get the sale. Okay, then you will get the sale. That's the main thing. Okay, that's the main thing you can do. Okay, so yeah, this is the main funda that you can use to generate affiliate sales. Okay, because I know many of you are the affiliate marketers. Okay, and see, if you are also running Amazon affiliate blogs, then you can also start it, because there are so many blogs who are doing that. And for my niche blogs, I also do email marketing. Like, see, email marketing can also help you to get traffic. Okay, let me mention over here. Okay, okay, so let me mention it. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, so it also helps you like to get traffic to your blog. Okay, because see, as I already told you that social signals can help you to get ranking. Okay, so for getting social signals, you can also like push your content over email. As you see that there's so many bloggers and yoga and marketers, we usually promote their articles and email. Okay, through emails. Okay, so that's the thing you can do. And see, there is one more thing that I have to end before like ending this video, that you will get traffic. Like, you will get traffic from every source. Okay, you will get traffic from every source, but the thing is that you have to convert that traffic, you have to convert into leads, into your subscribers, to make money through it. Okay, so yeah, I hope you got an idea, and yeah, you can use the tools that I have recommended you using the affiliate link. Okay, and if you want to use through my affiliate link, I will give you some bonuses. Okay, see you in the next video, and I hope you loved it. Okay, so cheers. This is Umair Qureshi signing off.